Hello there people, welcome to my orchard videos. Well, here's a little tech tip of the weekend. If you need a flat tire in your tractor, or your truck, or ATV, stuff you can get called tire slime. Works really good. I've had great success with it, and you just follow the directions on the bottle, how much you put in each tire, and I use this stuff in everything. Tractor, the farm tractor, a small tractor, ATV, cars, whatever. And what I did, I had bought 3 of these bottles. I keep them around all the time. And I put actually one of my tires on my Kubota M6040 was leaking. So what I did, I put half a bottle in each tire. So now, if you get a puncture or something, this stuff will swirl around, it'll find the leak, and it'll seal it off, and don't have to worry about it. So this is really good stuff. I really recommend it. If you guys are running around with ATVs, motorcycles, anything that's tubeless, use this stuff. It's really good stuff. So anyways, I'll just pass it on. Maybe some guys don't know, but tire slime, use it. It's good stuff. Alright, that's my tech tip of the weekend. Anyways, be safe and keep trucking, keep farming, and remember to comment, subscribe, and watch my videos. Alright, bye for now.